Let me ask you something real quick. If working harder at your job was the key to getting rich, then why are most hardworking people still living paycheck to paycheck? You've probably heard it your whole life. Get a good job, work hard, save money, and you'll be fine. Sounds safe. Sounds responsible. But there's a problem. It's not how wealth actually works. Your salary is designed to give you stability, not wealth. Think about it. A salary is basically you trading time for money. You show up. You work hours. You get paid for those hours. But here's the issue. Your time is limited. There are only 24 hours in a day. Even if you work 12, 14, or even 16-hour deemed, there's still a ceiling. That means your income has a cap. And inflation, taxes, and bills quietly eat away at whatever you earn. So even if your salary increases, your expenses usually rise with it. That's why most people feel like they're running faster, but staying in the same place. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Hard work alone doesn't make you rich anymore. There are doctors, engineers, and corporate professionals making six figures who are still not financially free. Why? Because they're still trading time for money. Wealthy people don't focus on working more hours. They focus on building systems that make money without their time. Things like businesses, investments, digital assets, and scalable income streams. These don't pay you for time. They pay you for value and leverage. If you want to change your financial future, the shift is simple, but not easy. Stop asking, how can I earn more per hour? Start asking, how can I make money without working more hours? That's where everything changes. It could be learning a high-income skill, starting a small online business, investing early, or building something that grows while you sleep. You don't need to quit your job tomorrow, but you do need to stop depending only on your job. Because here's the truth most people realize too late. A salary can build your lifestyle, but it rarely builds your freedom. And if you don't build something beyond your paycheck, you'll always be one emergency away from starting over. So the real question isn't, how much do you earn? It's, how many ways does your money make more money without you? If you enjoyed this kind of calm, reality-based perspective on money and modern life, you can subscribe for more.